Credit Achievers Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Credit Achievers Review, where I'll break down its features, who it's designed for, and how it works. Links to the service are provided in the description if you want to explore it further or get started. Credit Achievers is a credit repair service tailored for individuals looking to resolve inaccuracies on their credit reports and improve their overall credit health. It's ideal for those facing challenges like denied loans, high interest rates, or difficulty qualifying for mortgages or credit cards due to a low credit score. The service focuses on providing a structured and effective approach to identifying and resolving negative items on credit reports. One standout feature of Credit Achievers is its personalized credit analysis. Once you sign up, their team reviews your credit reports from major bureaus, pinpointing errors, unverifiable items, and inconsistencies. Common issues they address include late payments, collections, charge-offs, and even hard inquiries that may not belong on your report. Using a systematic dispute process, they communicate with credit bureaus and creditors on your behalf to correct or remove these items. Another key advantage is their transparent process. Clients receive frequent updates on the status of their disputes, allowing you to track progress in real time. Credit Achievers also provides actionable credit education, teaching you how to manage debt, optimize credit utilization, and build positive credit history. These resources ensure long-term success beyond the repair process. This service is perfect for anyone who feels overwhelmed by the credit repair process or lacks the time and expertise to tackle disputes independently. Credit Achievers' commitment to customer service and results-oriented strategies makes it a great choice for individuals aiming to rebuild their credit profiles effectively. With flexible pricing plans and a focus on delivering measurable improvements, Credit Achievers is a practical solution for improving your credit score and unlocking better financial opportunities. If you're ready to take control of your credit, check out the links in the description to learn more and get started with Credit Achievers today.